Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. I'm Marie Eriksson and I'm excited to show you how to make the Luxurious Iridescent Green earrings. These are really fancy, they feel elegant, but they're super quick and easy to make, and you can customize yours with a different Swarovski crystal color at the bottom. I love, though, this iridescent green with the gold. So let's get started. To make the luxurious iridescent green earrings, you will need 2 of the 14mm crystal iridescent green Swarovski crystal Pear fancy stones, 2 of the Pewter organic Pear bezels by Nunn Design, 2 of our Pewter round textured links, and 2 6mm gold-filled 18-gauge open jump rings with a pair of our precious metal French ear wires with a front loop by TierraCast. So to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is to glue my Swarovski crystals into my bezel. And for that, I'm going to use our E6000 glue and a Post-it note. So just put a little blob on there. You don't need too much. And to get the glue onto the bezel, as you can see, we just need to get this inside area. It's an open back bezel, so we don't want too much glue that might poke out the back. So I'm going to pick this up with my toothpick. And just start placing the glue in there. Let's add a little bit more. You want to make sure you get it all the way around. And move it. You can move it around a little bit so you don't get too much. Okay, I think I got a little bit on the top, so I'm just going to wipe that off. Put it on my Post-it note. Okay, then I'm going to take my Swarovski crystal and drop it in. Try and get it as straight as you can and push. You can put it down here and just push on that. And then let's check the back. If you do get glue that's coming out, you can take the clean side of your toothpick and just kind of wipe that up a little bit. There's a little bit coming out there. There. Okay. So we can still work with our earring while that's drying, even though it really takes about 24 hours total. So the only other tools I need are 2 chain nose pliers, and we're going to open our 6mm jump ring to the side, a little bit more. We're going to slip on our bezel, and then while it's still open, we're going to slip on our textured link. This is the same on the front and the back, so don't worry about figuring out which side is the front. Close our jump ring. Then the only thing we have left to do is add our ear wire, which you're going to open the loop to the side and then slip on the link. Make sure everything's facing the right way. And there we have our iridescent green earrings. Remember to make your second pair the same way we made the first one. And you can find this and lots of other ideas on fusionbeads.com.